Hey everyone, welcome back to Fred's Garage. Thanks for coming. So in a few episodes ago, I installed these beautiful Lasfit 4257D switchback bulbs in the Maverick, and I got no complaints. I love them. They worked great. And then about 2 weeks ago, I got my taillight recall from Ford. So I've got a lot of comments, and there's been a lot of chats about the taillight recalls causing hyperflashing. So this is what I'm going to do. I took these bulbs out, and I put the original halogens back in. I have an appointment this afternoon with the Ford dealership. We're going to go down there. We're going to have them do the recall. We're going to come back. We'll put these bulbs in the front, the switchbacks, and we'll see if that hyper flashes. And then we're going to put in the brand new taillight turn signal bulbs that Lasfit sent me. They said that these brand new bulbs are what's going to fix the issue. So this way here, we're all going to know whether it does or it doesn't, okay? So let's pack up, head to the Ford dealership, get that recall done, and see what we come up with. All right, let's show you the bulbs. Those are the factory halogen bulbs. All right. The recall is completed. Here she is, right here. Let's head back to the garage, put the Lasfit LEDs in, and see if she hyper flashes. Yep. All right, so we're back from the recall. All the lights in here, all the halogens that came from the factory when the car was built. So I'm going to put back the Lasfit switchbacks. They're the T3, I'll put it up here, T3 4257D. Those are the front switchbacks. So let's put those in real quick. All right, I'm going to put on some gloves. We're going to take off the halogen. And we're going to put in the switchback directionals. And we're going to pop these in. They go in one way. So let's see. Just the way? Yep. Now, just like the last time, hit the key to make sure they work. And they do. Shut them back off. Off. All right. This one's done. That's one. Let's go on the other side. All right. Here's two. Pull the bulb out. And we're going to put the switchback back in. Click the key. Make sure it works. Yep. Put her back. All right. All right. Let's see if it hyper flashes. Looks good to me, man. Looks nice and normal. We're going to turn the car around, and we're going to put the light bulbs in the back. See if that makes it hyper flash. That's where the problem is. Okay. These tail lights are extremely easy to take off. Two 8mm bolts. So we're going to use this right here. 1, 2. And the light bulbs we're going to use to replace that, are the new 4257R. Put it right here. 4257R. And all these bulbs and everything will be in the description box below this video, okay? So, we got those screws out. All you got to do is come over here, grab this, and gently pull it out. And there she is. Okay? I'm going to unplug it for video's sake. Right here, we're going to unplug it. And we're going to set it down. So, since I have this off, I'm also going to add the WT21W, which are the reverse light bulbs. So let's do that first. And all you got to do is twist this up, take it out, pull that bulb out, and put the LED bulbs. No sense going through all this work without changing the reverse light bulbs. So, they fit in one way. Boom. Back in. Nice and easy. You know, this is the kind of job anybody can do. Right here. That's in there tight, bro. All right. And save these bulbs. You never know when you might need to put them back. You never know when you might want to sell the car, or God forbid an accident happens. You might as well take all these bulbs back out and put the old ones back in before it's towed away or junked. So save all the old bulbs. All right. That's the directional brake light bulb. And that's the one that causes the hyperflash. Take that clip off because it's not easy to get these wires. They don't give you enough slack. So here's this one. We're going to replace that with this other one. Okay. Flip back in. Plug her back in. Push her back in. And then we're going to try this side compared to the other side. So, plug back in. Plug gets clipped on right here. That's in. That's in. 2 screws. Don't over tighten. It doesn't need to be over tightened. All right. All right. Let's see what they look like. Alrighty, now that we know that they're not going to hyperflash, let's do this other side. Pull her out. Unplug it. Okay, TW21W reverse light. Goes in the middle. Out with the old, in with the new. Remember, they go in one way. So don't force them. They'll pop in the right way. Okay. Bunch of wild kids. T3 4257R. And like I said, save the bulbs. You never know when you might need them. Okay. Let's plug her in. Yeah, man. Put her back on. Putting all the bulbs back to the original when I went to do the recall. It meant I was starting fresh. Alright, so you don't have the flash. But am I 100% positive? Nope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive it for 24 hours. And then I'm going to post this video tomorrow. Okay? And when I drive it around through the city, I'll know if they're hyper flashing or not. Okay? It'll warm them up real hot, and we'll see what happens. So let me get back to you tomorrow, and we'll see how successful it was. All right, so what's my take on those Lasfit bulbs? It hasn't been 24 hours. It's been 2 weeks. And I have to tell you, I took them out. They're good bulbs. They look good, but they don't fully hyper flash. What they do is this. They hyper flash for like 3 cycles, and then they go normal. You might be okay with that. That might be something that doesn't bother you. I was driving around for 2 weeks, and it was driving me crazy. I didn't like it. So that's just me. We're all different. I took them out, put the regular bulbs in. But for me, it's all safety first. So replacing that brake light bulb with the Lasfit on my previous video was one step closer from keeping somebody from rear-ending me. Where I live, it's chaotic on those roads, man. It's people from all over the country, people from all over the world, people of all different ages. So anything I can do to keep somebody from rear-ending the back of this Maverick is a plus, okay? So I did change that brake light in the middle there, but these ones I went back. And as I said, you might like it, you might not. It might not bother you. Then go for it. But I'm gonna wait and see what comes down the pipeline. And hey, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. And I'm sure you're gonna like the next video because my landscaper just broke my rear glass. That video is coming up after this one. You guys have a great day.